What is up, everybody? This is Eric from the Orange Den Garage, also known as Todg, and we're gonna have a little surprise for you. We got Wyatt here, as always. Like I said, I work with him, and he's got a drone. Oh, not bad, not bad. You're gonna say hi? I cut you off.
Oh, well, that's what you were saying. Yeah. Well, hello everybody. It's Wyatt here.
Oh, damn, I did it again.
It's okay. It's all right.
Whatever.
But Eric's just a little excited, everybody. It's okay.
So yeah, right here we've got a drone. Wyatt's got a drone, and we're gonna fly it for the first time ever. I've never flown a drone. This should be fun. You thought I was going to do that? No, I don't know how to do these. Is it this? Is that how they do it?
You can snap. You can
snap.
Do whatever you want.
To the next scene, I guess. Snapping. Unsecured network, so it does not ask for a password.
All right, ladies and gentlemen,
oh my God.
We are setting up our drone for the first time. Eric is staring at himself through the drone's camera. This is very interesting. It has worked. You guys see it has a controller, has a little attachment for your phone. Pretty cool. A lot of settings on there to choose from. There's our first test with it, but yeah, let's get started.
I don't think the controller is connected to it though.
Oh, it is.
No, it is.
It's ready. Okay.
Yeah, it's obviously on side of this. Let's run.
Oh, Eric, what the heck? What the heck?
Obviously, we're being watched on camera. So
Yes, we are.
not by a phone camera, but by security camera. Alright, we're going to see where the car won't just
Demolish it.
yes, run it over. Quality of the camera is not the best. At least that's what it looks like on the phone.
Hey, this is the beginner one. I just want to say thank you to my wife for getting it for Christmas. It's going to give us some interesting shots for the channel. And as always, guys, this is the Orange Den Garage. And you know what we do here? We envision our dreams. Eric is already flying it. And it's... Wow.
I told you though, it wouldn't. Oh my God, I didn't even do anything. All I did was press a button.
Eric has already crashed the drone. He has already crashed it. It's down there in... It's alright. It's fine. It is a very lightweight drone. What? Let's try this again. Eric, put it on the ground. We gotta start with up and down first.
All I did was press a button and it just launched.
Where's the lift up button?
I don't know. Technically, it's this one.
Lift it up.
What?
No.
The wind pushes it around.
Oh no. Timber.
Got some dried up.
All right, let's move farther into the parking lot then. I don't understand why it goes flying straight. It's just supposed to go up.
Which is weird. It actually is flying backwards, just like the way the wind is pushing. Because I had it facing this way.
This is bizarre.
Let me just get in front of it to catch it, just in case it's time.
Eric's probably going to decapitate himself. Here we go. Try number 3. As you can see, guys, this is going to take some practice. Go over the fence, Eric. Let it down, let it down, let it down. Don't go over the fence, Eric. We will not get it back.
I know. Why this time it hit the water? Why does it keep flying that way?
Where's the reverse button? There's got to be another directional button. It just goes one direction.
I know.
What is this on beginner mode or is it on?
I don't know.
It said there's like a beginner.
It should.
There's like a beginner mode, and then there's like an expert mode, and then there's a 100% mode, and then there's like another mode where you take the camera off and you have no control. Like you're just like an expert, like pilot, basically, where you don't have to have the camera on and you can just fly it around and control it any way you want. But it's pretty interesting, guys. So we're learning. Hopefully we figure it out. But as always, this is the Orange Den Garage. I feel like Eric is gonna hit himself with the drone.
Whoa.
Good catch. I wonder what color is, which side is the front? What side is the front?
I have no idea. It doesn't say it.
I think the front, maybe the front's the other side. Maybe the front's the opposite side of the camera.
That's what I did. And it flew, it still flew towards me. I'm gonna have to air dry this thing.
Oh, there's a little more control.
Yes, but it still moves that direction.
Oh, it sounds...
Here, hold on to the drone while I try to figure this out. So, I'm trying to understand it. Why does it? At least it shuts itself off when it's unbalanced.
It's pretty cool how it beeps. It sounds technical. Just is it?
It's 30%.
30% is the novice.
Oh. Well, it's on 30%.
Oh my gosh, this is 30%. We suck.
Yeah,
We suck, guys. How the heck is that the basic one? Oh my.
Ow, that hurt. Oh.
Eric has been attacked by the drone.
Yeah, this thing is pretty weak against wind, it seems. Hold on.
It's not even that windy out. It's just a little 5 mile per hour breeze.
Or it's just, I don't know. This is why.
Well, guys, this is our first take, like we were saying, and we're trying. If you guys know about this brand, Acaso, and how to fly these, give us some comments. Shoot some comments how to fly it, because we are learning. God, watch it fly the other direction, hit the car. Just because we don't want it to. There we go. Oh, they're straight up. Where is the other direction at? It just goes one direction.
Try holding it. No, like making your fingers around like a feet. Oh, direction. No, just like a circle.
Eric, I'm holding a camera, and you want me to hold this?
Make it sit. I'm trying to see how it feels loose. Oh, that works. That's forward. Back. I kind of don't want to say let it go because I don't want to go over there.
Camera facing this way. I feel like it's pulling towards you. It is. All right, grab it, Eric. Oh, you got a little control now. Land.
Yeah.
All right, well, this is our trial run.
I'm trying to get. I'm slowly getting an understanding, but I don't.
All right, come on, Eric. Let's go back inside.
Yeah, let's.
All right, guys. So that was our first flight with the drone. Hopefully we figure it out soon. We're gonna do a second flight pretty soon. Show you guys if we improved or not. Hopefully we do, but
Probably not.
according to Eric, probably not. But I have faith. I have faith because, you know, we're the Orange Den Garage. We're gonna get it done. We got this. Right, Eric? We got this?
Yeah, as long as we envision our dreams.
You heard that?
That's what we
Vision
do.
those dreams. So, all right, guys, stay tuned for the drone video number 2. And like always, here at the Orange Den Garage. Come on, Eric.
Envision our dreams.
There we go. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Bye now.